Yeah.
We are back with Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council, sharing some back-to-school recipes. Boy, this smells good. What do we got here?
Yeah, so I thought it was a perfect time to kind of talk about easy recipes, not many ingredients, under 30 minutes, and then I'm using ground beef in both these two. So they're economical. I feel like at this time of year, we kind of hemorrhage money. Everybody needs new tennis shoes, right? To get back to school.
And they can't be cheap shoes either.
Nope. So the first recipe has 6 ingredients, and also I'm going to use up tomatoes. So if you have a garden, you're still getting tomatoes.
Oh, yes, tomatoes.
Because they are late this year. So I browned up a pound of ground beef, and I've just got like 3 tablespoons of garlic in here. I use the squeezed garlic, but fresh garlic would be perfect too, and a little salt and pepper. Then the recipe calls for 2 cups of tomatoes. I did 2 tomatoes.
Well, that's...
Because I got...
that's plenty.
You can't add too much tomato to
No, you
this.
can't.
No, and really, there isn't a sauce to this. It seems like you might be saying, okay, this is going to be really blah, but it's not. It doesn't need a sauce.
Right.
You just give the tomatoes like 4 or 5 minutes at home, kind of to soften, and they'll let out some juice. Then cooked penne. So it's not really a one-dish meal, because I had to cook my pasta separately, but I'm going to put that in. And then we'll just let this hang out a couple minutes while we talk about the other recipe. And then really that's it. It gets fresh basil right now. So 3 tablespoons, we'll see, we'll do that. And that's it.
Perfect.
That is it, that's perfect, great.
It can't be much easier.
And it says 25 minutes. I think you can do it faster.
And it's...
$4.24 a serving. That's buying your tomatoes.
If you have tomatoes and basil, it's even
more economical,
More
cheaper, more cheaper. Right. The second recipe is one of my new favorites, and it's so kid-friendly. You know, when the kids are at school this first week, they're stressed out, make them something they're going to come home and really love. Creamy ground beef soup. So start with a pound of ground beef, saute up some onion with it, then add in 4 cups of beef stock, 1 24-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce, 1 can of tomato sauce, and the pasta. Pasta goes in uncooked, so this is a one-dish meal. And then simmer it 12 minutes, 13 minutes till your pasta's al dente or about done. Then add in half a chunk of cream cheese.
Oh.
And stir that in, right, so 4 ounces of cream cheese. And then top with some basil, more fresh basil, and then more Parmesan.
That's
so
it.
$3.45 a serving.
That's pretty good.
At my grocery store, so should be pretty average. Right, so can't hardly do a drive-through for that.
And they're pretty ground... Yeah, I saw ground beef on sale today.
Yes, watch the flyers. It'll be on sale. Get the family pack, take it home, divide it up into 1-pound increments, put it in a little zippy, a freezer Ziploc or baggie, and you're ready to go.
Beeftips.com.
Beeftips.com, right on the homepage. Click on As Seen on TV. I got links to a bunch of our recipe collections that are perfect for this time of year, too.
All right. It's that time of year.
It is.